Hi guys. In today's video, here's a 1965 Western Electric 554 wall mount rotary phone. It is refurbished in 1984 by the phone company. It comes with a modular backplate, which I had to remove and rewired. As the back may look like. As you can see, it has been refurbished in March 16th, 1984 by AT&T. So why I got another rotary phone? Because you may remember the Strombo Carlson desktop rotary phone that I had previously. Well, sadly it quit working on me. It wasn't making a good pulse connection anymore after a random number was dialed. So it's off to the electronic recycling center. So I had to replace it. I had to replace it on. I placed an order on Thursday morning, and it arrived today. So I hung it on the wall. No worries. As you can hear, I don't know if you're able to tell or not, but it's actually you can hear a dial tone. So I'm gonna demonstrate the phone's functionality and all that stuff. Well, I had to remove the modular backplate, a couple of screws, and then we're all set to go. Let's see here. Let me call my Google Voice number and all that stuff. So okay, now let's demonstrate the ringer. Hello, hello, hello. There's a kind of delay here. I don't know. Okay, bye. So that's the 1965 refurbished 1984 Western Electric 554 rotary phone. It has refurbished several times, 1973 and 1984. So there you have it. I'm sorry I haven't made any videos in the last 2 weeks and the community posts for the last week because I've been busy a lot lately. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. Bye.